Hey there, curious minds. Ever heard of Schrodinger's cat? It's this mind-bending thought experiment from the world of quantum physics that'll make you question reality itself. So let's dive right in. Back in 1935, an Austrian physicist named Erwin Schrödinger created this concept to illustrate a problem. This was intended to help reconcile a bunch of different opinions among a bunch of smart minds that couldn't agree. Oddly, it worked. Imagine a cat inside a sealed box. Alongside the cat, there's a tiny bit of radioactive material, a Geiger counter, a vial of poison, and a hammer. If the Geiger counter detects radiation, the hammer smashes the vial, releasing the poison and, well, goodbye, kitty. If not, the cat lives. Here's the twist. According to quantum mechanics, until you open the box and check, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. This superposition state shows how particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. Wild, right? So, how does Schrödinger's cat relate to your everyday life? Well, this paradox is foundational to modern tech like quantum computing. Unlike traditional computers that use bits as 0s or 1s, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This makes quantum computers exponentially more powerful for specific tasks like cryptography, complex simulations, and even drug discovery. Think about it. The GPS on your phone, which helps you find the nearest coffee shop, relies on principles that stem from quantum mechanics, and that's just scratching the surface. A fascinating real-world application is in the field of quantum cryptography. Banks and cybersecurity firms are exploring quantum encryption to create unhackable communication channels. Imagine a future where your personal data is safeguarded by the very principles that make Schrödinger's cat so puzzling. Now, you might wonder, why should I care about a cat that's both alive and dead? Well, this thought experiment challenges us to think beyond our everyday experiences and question how we perceive reality. It's a reminder that the world is far more complex and mysterious than it appears. And here's a mind-blowing stat for you. In 2019, Google announced that its quantum computer, Sycamore, performed a calculation in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years to complete. That's the power of quantum mechanics in action. So next time you hear about Schrödinger's cat, remember it's not just a quirky paradox, but a gateway to understanding the quantum world. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more brain-boosting content.